Task 1B. What is task 1B? Implement data analysis and data visualization in R. So we are going to discuss about the different visualization techniques that we are going to use in R programming. So generally you know what are the visualization techniques. What is the visualization technique so far you have studied till now in your mind? It's pie chart, bar chart. Apart from pie chart, bar chart, we have advanced charts for converting data into different visualization techniques. Why? For easy understanding. Because the data which is in the form of numerics, which is in the form of numbers, instead that data if we have in the form of visual things, it would be more easy to understand for the whoever you are making you to understand. So therefore, for that purpose, firstly we are going to discuss about bar plot. So in a bar plot, basically, what type of data we will be describing? We will be describing the bar plot is basically used to describe categorical data and continuous data. Categorical data is what? It's a mixture of the data. And continuous data is what? Continuous data where we are not defining any what values? Just so you people have said now. What are the continuous values? For example, finite values. What are finite values? Any example of finite values? Quickly, anybody? Suppose if you want to predict the price of the house, with what value I can predict the continuous value or discrete values? Continuous values. Suppose if I want to measure the height of any person, with what value I can measure? Continuous values, right? So I think you got the difference between what are discrete values and continuous values. So likewise, bar plot is basically it is used to describe categorical data and continuous data. Okay. So in today's class we are going to discuss about the bar plot. So here, with respect to R programming, we are trying to understand the bar plot. Bar plot basically it is used to describe. It is used for comparisons, right? To do comparison, like for example, if we have a data to understand what is the profit with respect to this products. To do this comparison, we can use a bar plot. So, with respect to our programming, to understand about the bar plot, this is the syntax. What is the syntax we have? Bar plot, and these are the parameters which we are passing. What are the parameters we are passing in the bar plot? H, X, Y, names dot argument and for. H is representing vectors and X and Y is representing the traces to the X axis and Y axis. And name is the title for the chart. And names dot org is the name given to the specific bar under the bars. And then call is used to define the colors. So with respect to this, we can understand what is bar plot. So the demonstration will be seen. Then afterwards, one more type of visualization we can do is in the form of histograms. What are basically histograms? Histogram is a type of a bar plot only. But here what we are doing, we are trying to group the different bars into one group. That group we are calling it as a beans. Okay. So this is the syntax of histogram in R programming, where it is starting with the keyword called hist, H-I-S-T, and again we are passing these parameters. What are the parameters? V is representing again vector. Name is representing again X, Y,